Hello, I'm András Glöckl from Hungary, from Budapest. We are running Iguana restaurant. We are cooking Mexican, traditional Mexican food. We are open for 10 years now, and we are here in behalf of Export Village. Chicken quesadilla is ready. Let me tell you how we made it. First, we get the flour tortilla. We fill it with cheese, pepper, onion, which we marinated for a day before. And after, we add some grilled chicken, which was shredded, and we topped it with cheese. We topped the whole thing with another flour tortilla. Put it into the French stove. At home, you can do it with a pan, and on both sides you keep it another 2-3 minutes. One side, another 3 minutes. Another side, and it's ready. The cheese will melt inside, and you can serve it with sour cream, tomato, guacamole, which is made from avocado, and jalapeno. Enjoy now. The carne is ready and it smells excellent. Let me tell you how did we cook it. First of all, we get the onion, we put it in the hot oil for a few minutes, and after we get the grounded meat, we cooked it together for another 2-3 minutes, and after we had all the flavors what I mentioned before, we had the kidney beans which we boiled, which we cooked before that for around 2 hours, and at the end we had the brown dark beer. Enjoy. Our tomato salsa is ready. We were serving it with chips. Try it at home with chips. It's made from corn flour. It's excellent. But you can top it on any food, chicken, or if you make a burrito at home. Let me tell you the ingredients. We use fresh tomato, onion, fresh cilantro, which is the most important, I think, and garlic,